Hello everyone, I'm Greg Otto with FedScoop TV. We're here at the 8th annual Lowering the Cost of Government with IT Summit. I'm talking with Doug Wagoner, the Sector President for SAIC. Doug, thanks for joining us today.
Absolutely, nice to meet you, Greg.
So, what advances in IT should agencies be looking toward to be efficient while driving savings in the long run?
Well, you know, a lot of people want to go for the next cool thing. They want to go for the next hot thing. And the pressure that a lot of agencies are under is their O&M costs, their infrastructure costs.
Right.
And so a lot of folks say, I want to do IoT and I want to do next generation cyber and I want to do agile development and all this, and you're just not going to be able to get that done efficiently unless you address your architecture and the infrastructure. And so my advice to our CIO customers is let's focus on that, is get the O&M cost of that down, and that's going to give you money to reinvest in some of these new technologies.
So, with that infrastructure technology, cloud's a big part of that. Where are we with cloud? Is it still emerging as far as the government is concerned, or has it gotten to the point where it's now a commodity buy?
You know, in the commercial world, it's a commodity buy.
Right.
You know, it is table stakes. Everyone just assumes they're going to go to the cloud. I know government CIOs want to be there. They see the cost savings, but there's two inhibitors to that. One is security. There's still a sense that there's a security issue with cloud.
Okay.
It's in the federal government. You know, and the other is acquisition. And one of the things I'm talking about here at FedScoop today is not just reforming acquisition, but completely transforming acquisition.
Okay.
Because it's just too hard with our current acquisition models for CIOs to efficiently be able to acquire cloud services or services or anything as a service.
So how can agencies balance the need to secure systems while dealing with those budget constraints? And I'm sure that factors into what you're talking about with transforming the way things are acquired. So give me some details and some background on
I think security obviously is one of the biggest challenges that CIOs face. Everyone wants 100% security all the time, and we can understand that. The problem is there's no such thing as 100% security.
Right.
There's too many attackers, there's nation states, there's individuals, there's philosophies, there's zero-day attacks. You just cannot keep up with it. So what I think we need to start taking a look at is looking at the data and really doing an assessment and doing a triage of that data. What are the crown jewels of an organization that absolutely have to be protected, and focus the dollars on there, and then have a risk return for some data that if it does leak, no one would want that, but it doesn't have the impact of the data that we consider the crown jewels, because you just can't protect everything at the same level.
Right. So I know we were talking about infrastructure earlier and really just O&M, but I'm going to pivot a little bit. Are there any new emerging technologies that can help stop, budgets from ballooning out of control?
I'm really excited at the advances in data science.
Okay.
It is absolutely amazing, because at the end of the day, people say, I want a system to do this, I want a system to do that. The mission side of these agencies are constantly on the CIO saying, I need a system, I need a system. They don't need a system, all right? What they need is actionable information out of this system. And so we have lots of data. In fact, some of the cybersecurity issues that we're having right now is that we store so much data, we keep so much data. So with data science, one, again, you can triage, you can figure out what is the key data. And number two, you can, for much cheaper than building monolithic systems, you can actually extract that value much cheaper and much quicker for the mission owners.
Great. Well, Doug, thanks for joining us today. Appreciate your insight.
Absolutely, it's a lot of fun. Thanks.
For more of our videos, check out our YouTube channel, and for more information, check out fedscoop.com. I'm Greg Otto. Thanks for watching.